What makes Ashkenazi genetics unique compared to other Jewish groups? Have you ever wondered why Ashkenazi genetics stand out among Jewish populations? Let's take a closer look at the unique aspects that shape their genetic profile. First, Ashkenazi Jews trace their roots back to a small group of ancestors who lived in Europe around 1,000 years ago. This limited founding population led to what is known as the founder effect. Because of this, certain gene mutations became more common in this group. For instance, Ashkenazi Jews have a higher carrier frequency for specific genetic diseases. These include Gaucher disease, Tay-Sachs disease, and Canavan disease. About 1 in 3 Ashkenazi Jews carries mutations linked to these conditions. This means that a child must inherit 2 copies of the mutated gene to develop the disease. Other Jewish groups do not show this same pattern. Next, let's discuss their ancestral origins. Genetic studies reveal that Ashkenazi Jews have both Near Eastern and European ancestry. However, their maternal and paternal lineages primarily trace back to a small founding group from the Near East. Mitochondrial DNA, which is passed down from mothers, shows that most Ashkenazi Jews descend from around 150 women who lived centuries ago. Interestingly, fewer than 15% of their mitochondrial DNA lineages come from outside populations. This is different from earlier theories that suggested mixed European maternal origins. Another factor is the population isolation experienced by Ashkenazi Jews. For many centuries, they lived in relative isolation in Eastern and Central Europe. This limited gene flow from outside groups and amplified certain genetic traits. Other Jewish populations, like Sephardi Jews from the Iberian Peninsula or Mizrahi Jews from Middle Eastern countries, have different genetic histories. Their migration patterns and local intermixing have led to different sets of common genetic variants and disease risks. Now, let's consider the health implications. Because of their unique genetic characteristics, Ashkenazi Jews have a higher prevalence of certain inherited conditions. This has led to the creation of targeted genetic screening programs. These programs aim to identify carriers of these mutations, helping families make informed reproductive decisions. Understanding Ashkenazi genetics is essential for personalized health care within this community. It helps in managing health risks effectively. In summary, Ashkenazi genetics are unique due to their historical founding population, a mix of Near Eastern and European ancestry, and centuries of relative isolation. These factors set Ashkenazi Jews apart from other Jewish groups and have important implications for health and disease management.